go. This is really good so far, guys. We may have already doubled, actually. I think we've already doubled, so we're gonna keep going. Get some more. Get some more. We want to hit a minor. Get a minor in there. Come on. All right, we got 3 more spins. Good. Hit a minor. Yes, got another one. So we got 3 more spins. Yes. Whew. 3 more spins. Let's go. Oh. 2 more spins. Come on. Come on, minor. Get in there. Last spin unless we hit more. Come on. Damn. All right. Well, time to add all that up. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh my God! I forgot we were playing nickels. Oh shit! I forgot we were playing nickels. That's amazing. $518 on our second spin.